Okay, we've taken a trade here on V75S. I'm very excited to see where this can go. Took it on a very small account. I'm going to show you guys the power of the strategy. We got some confirmations there. Price is just playing around here, but I'm expecting price to just break out and rise all the way to take profit. As you can see, it's 9 p.m. $10 live account. By the time I wake up, I hope take profit would have been hit. So yeah, see you guys soon. When I hit take profit, I will be breaking down the trade for you guys. Look at that, heading all the way to take profit. Now let me break this trade down for you guys so that I can show you guys what I was seeing and why I took this trade. Look at that. I'm sorry if I'm not as energetic as usual. I mean, it is obviously 4 a.m. I just woke up, just check on my trade here. But I will be showing you guys what I was seeing. Let me delete all this analysis. Just so that I can show you guys. My targets actually got hit here, so I'm gonna close that. Okay, now let me show you guys the analysis. I mean, price could reverse from anywhere. It could reverse in this order block right over here, or it could get all the way up here. But I just decided to take my profits. My targets were hit. So what was I seeing? Boom. That is the first thing. That is the first thing I saw. Second thing that I saw, break of structure. Now, if you see this, like I tell you guys all the time, this is the first thing. This strategy is like mining for gold, right? You see this, that's the first thing I saw. I went, okay. So price is giving all of this action over here. This is clearly liquidity collection right here that's going on over here. All this market structure, right? You had price selling, right? Creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. And I went, oh no. After this liquidity sweep right here, price broke structure. So I already know price is trying to make a new structure over here for a buying setup, right? So I saw that. We had our liquidity sweep. What does that create? Protected low, right? Price came, broke structure over here, right? Came again, broke structure. Now what are we waiting for? Waiting for price to create structural liquidity. Right? If you guys can see, one hour time frame. What made our inside liquidity? Inside liquidity, structural liquidity, right over here. Go all the way down to our 15-minute time frame. Price had already broken structure. I'm sorry, I didn't mention this. Price broke structure over here. Right, if you go down onto the 5 minutes, right? I could already identify our structural liquidity right there in that 50% zone, right? Came to our 50% zone or more zone, right? If you guys can see. Got all the way down there, made our structural liquidity. It's the same thing over and over again. It actually pisses me off. This market has no new tricks, right? After it made our structural liquidity, that's when it came around. Broke structure, right over here. Broke structure. Now what are we waiting for? After the break of structure. After price breaks structure, we're waiting for price to get into our point of interest. Our point of interest is the order block that failed. It's right there. Right over here. The order block that failed. Right? Where our liquidity sweep is. Sweep of liquidity. This area right here. What was supposed to happen the first time is that when price came in here, it was supposed to just buy from there, but it didn't. It disrespected that market structure and made a liquidity sweep. So in this area, we're expecting price to come back and finally respect this area. What did price do? Sold all the way back into our point of interest. Look at that. Look at that. You'd have gotten confirmation the first time. You'd have entered on this candle. Right over here. You could have entered there. Right? Where's your SL? You have your stop loss right below here. Stop loss right over there. Take profit levels. You have this high to target and you have this high to target. Right? If you're a little bit more conservative, boom. Take profit 1. And then, if you just want to keep holding some more, take profit 2 is this high. I decided to take a TP1, flipped from $10 to 43. Obviously, I was impressed by my profits. But again, guys, it's the same thing over and over again. I hope you guys can see what's going on over here. There is nothing new. If you've been watching any of my videos, you will notice it's the same thing. I gave this signal in my Telegram groups. I gave it in my free Telegram. I gave it in my WhatsApp groups. I gave the setup. People probably got their confirmations right there. Entered. Boom. Trade. Done. Simple stuff. There is nothing new here. Deriv has no new tricks. In fact, this is so common nowadays. One of my students who's literally just been learning for about a week and a half was the one that pointed out this setup. I had it marked out, but I almost forgot about it. Got a message and they sent this to me and I went, oh, that's a very beautiful markup. And I remembered that I'd marked this out some hours ago. This is when price was still over here. Price was still around here at the time. And I was just waiting for price to get in here and give me my confirmations. And look at that. Now it's 4 a.m. I get to wake up to these beautiful scenes over here. It's the same thing. There is nothing new. There is nothing new in this market. Everything is the same. You just need to understand this concept. Understand this one concept. Master it. Practice it. And I promise you, all you will see is profit for the rest of your life. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown. I hope you guys enjoyed learning. If you guys want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share this with your friends. Comment if you guys have any questions, any inquiries, whatever, any statements you want to make. If you guys enjoyed it, you can tell me in the comments. If you guys didn't like it, you can also tell me in the comments. For all those that want mentorship and they want to learn the strategy even deeper, you can DM me on Instagram. I will place my Instagram tag right over there. You can DM me on Instagram and we can talk about mentorship. In my mentorship classes, I ensure that within a month, you should be able to identify the structure. But most people within the first week or two, they already understand what's going on. I just say a month for polishing up. If you guys want mentorship, you can DM me on Instagram. If you're enjoying these free videos over here and they're giving you value, you can subscribe to the channel. Share this with all of your trading friends. I'm sure they will also want to see this. That's how you flip small accounts right there. This was a $10 account. Now it's 43. And obviously we're live. How do you know we're live? You cannot press this button. There won't be this button if you demo. I'll still be growing this account. I want to grow it to about at least 200. So my first target has been hit. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your weekend.